Top 3 challenges faced by machine designers and how Projexel can help to solve them. Number 1. Hard to route control cables for specific locations. While designing machines, there are numerous areas where control cables routing is extremely difficult, from multi-axis manipulators and 360-degree rotating sections to high motion of lifters of free-moving equipments, and many more. Now, with the help of Projexel's wireless technology products, you can precisely connect up to 99% of digital sensors regardless of the PLC used in factory automation without using single control wire. This also removes the complex wiring pathways and helps you design considerably more reliable, efficient and robust machines. You can contact our team to get detailed understanding of how our products can help you. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like, and do share it with your team members, colleagues and customers who may get benefit from our Industry 4.0 technology products. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information on how to design highly efficient special purpose machines for your customers. Thank you for sticking with us till the end.